Hobbs Boxing TV. Please subscribe para masarap ang ulam nyo.
Isang MMA fighter ang nagtangkang pasukin ang mundo ng boxing. Hindi kasi masyadong brutal ang sports ito kumpara sa nakasanayan. Pagdating sa rules ng sports ng boxing, masasabi nating napakalayo ng agwat nito kumpara sa MMA. Sa MMA kasi, tsaka naaawatin ng laban kapag segundo na lang ang natitirang oras bago nito makita si San Pedro. Pero sa boxing, kunting pilay, injury at kung ano pa mang mga hindi magagandang pangyayari sa isang atleta, pwede na kaagad itong itigil. Kaya naman basic lang daw umano ang sports na ito. Wika pa ng isang Amerikanong si Martin Sandoval. Ang MMA champion kasi na ito mga boss ay isang mabangis at malupit na klase ng fighter. Nagagawa nito ang mga kinatatakutang stunts katulad ng Superman punch to the moon and back at mga kakilakilabot na pagsakal sa mga kalaban. Kaya siguradong kaawa-awa ang sino mang makakalaban nito kapag lilipat na ito sa boxing. Kaso nga lang sa kasamaang palad, ang pinakaunang nakaharap nito sa boxing ay ang makunat, matigas ang ulo, kulukoy na dugong Pinoy na si Bruno Escalante. Isa itong Bisaya na tubong lungsod ng Cebu. Kapag usapang Bisaya kasi mga bossing, aasahan mo ng matapang mabangis, walang inaatrasan at hindi sumusuko sa kahit anumang hamon sa buhay. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa Craneway Pavilion, Point Richmond sa California. Inaasahan talaga ng mga Amerikanong boxing fans na saglit lang tapusin ni Martin Sandoval ang Pinoy na si Bruno Escalante. Ang hindi nila alam, ito na pala ang huling laban ng kanilang pinagmamalaking MMA fighter dahil hindi na ito umapak pa sa lona kailanman. Simula noong nilampaso ito ng baguhan nating kababayan. Bueno, wag na nating patagalin to mga bossing, bakbakan na agad.
Two-time world boxing champion. Up right now in the ring, Bruno opponent Martin Sandoval in looks like Muay Thai trunks.
Right now,
Kickbox fights in the cage. He has a 6A is going from MMA to boxing.
Oh, that's a Superman punch right there, straight from the MMA play.
fighter, they don't do pretty good. And Sandoval, he looks like he's doing pretty good right now. Weird right now.
Very conventional approach and stance.
For them, if I was Bruno, all I have to do is,
Dante in the southpaw stance.
and look, see, fucking Sandoval look pretty good. But he seems to be, he seems to be like he had a lot of amateur fights to me.
Whoa! Wow. Good straight left and Bruno.
There he goes. Hitting him with the right jab and
Good straight left.
Off that jab, working off that jab.
Saved by the bell.
yeah.
Yeah, Sandoval definitely got a break there. Welcome to boxing, Martin Sandoval, huh?
Yep, there you go. I mean, and in the beginning, if he didn't tell me that he was doing MMA back then, to me, he looks pretty weird. The way he jumped in when he punched, he kicked, just like he's doing MMA.
Right.
Yeah, there you go. The straight left, set him up with a right jab, and then.
keeping that left hand very low at his hip, like Roy Jones Jr., but without Roy's speed and experience.
It took a little bit for Bruno to find his timing, but when he did, he connected and put Sandoval on his butt. There you go.
Referee Ray Balowitz start round 2.
Pagdating sa round na ito, mga bossing, nagmumukhang desperado ng makabawi ng knockdown ang Amerikanong si Sandoval. At dahil sa emosyon na iyon, napapabayaan na nito ang kanyang depensa na siyang dapat hindi pinabayaan ng isang boksingero pagdating sa laban.
Trying to grab Bruno, but like I said, that problem, like MMA fighter, they tend to grab you and put you once it's on the ground. So that's what it looks like he's doing. They're trying to, yeah.
Oh, and another left straight. Rock Sandoval. I think we're about done here. That's it. Bruno Escalante wins by second round knockout.
Wow. Referee Ray Balowitz stepped in there, and Martin Sandoval definitely
Panalo ang ating kababayan na si Escalante via round 2 knockout. Simula noong natalo si Martin Sandoval sa laban na ito, hindi na ito nakitang umapak pa sa lona, samantalang ang Pinoy naman na si Escalante sa ngayon na naninirahan na sa Redwood City, California, USA. At hindi na ito aktibo sa boxing. Huling lumaban ito noon pang taong 2018.
Boom, see? 1-2, bam, right there. That's the difference between when an MMA fighter goes to boxing, just like a boxer go to MMA. You get takedown and the MMA fighter get knocked out in boxing.
the approach is definitely different. The setups and the timing, distance, and things like that. So Bruno Escalante improved his professional career to 2 wins, 0 defeats. He remains undefeated. He has 1 draw. And Martin Sandoval, who took this fight, to his credit, took this fight on very short notice.
Referee Ray Balowitz stopped the fight. Your winner by knockout, Bruno